Nick Walker of eMachineShop at the New Jersey Manufacturers Extension Partnership meeting for Manufacturing Day. And we're going to be speaking with Nick about what his company does. Nick, welcome to Manufacturing Talk Radio.
Thanks for having me.
So give our viewers kind of an idea of what does eMachineShop do?
Sure. eMachineShop is a machine shop, but we've taken it to a little bit of a different level than the standard machine shop. Traditional machine shop is pure RFQ, excuse me. You come in kind of with your design and they'll give you a quote, maybe it'll take a few days and you might have to wait quite a while to get your part back. The approach we take is more of an internet-based approach. You send us your CAD files and we give you a quote as fast as we possibly can, oftentimes in 1 day or less, and ship your parts out once they're done. We do finishing and work in all sorts of different materials: aluminum, steel, copper, plastics.
Are you just 3D printing at all?
We do 3D printing, injection molding, CNC milling, and then all sorts of 2D cutting processes as well.
I've been asking people this question only because it's the state of the state at this point,
Sure.
And that's about the steel tariffs. Has that been affecting you at all?
We have not quite figured out how it will affect us, but it is certainly a topic that we are working through.
If it hasn't affected you yet, you're doing okay.
Right.
By most standards.
Yeah.
So you're based here, your manufacturing is here in New Jersey.
Correct.
You ship and sell all over the country?
We do. So being an internet-based business, we can work with people anywhere in the world. We're not limited to shipping in the U.S. alone. We ship all over the place. I mean, just off the top of my head, I know we shipped an order to Singapore, recently. So it definitely, our services are definitely used around the world.
Nick, it has been the case where, particularly with 3D printing, but with other types of work, that it was really a low volume environment. Are you a higher volume environment?
So we're actually pretty uniquely positioned. A lot of companies will no quote low quantity orders.
Right.
Low quantity is a niche of ours. We are happy to take quantity one orders. We're happy, whether that's 3D printing or CNC. I've done some research, some competitive research, and a lot of machine shops want to take really big orders because that's how they're configured. And one of the unique things about us is we're configured to take any size order.
And what's the largest volume you can do?
We don't put a cap on it. If you have an order for many millions, we'll make it happen. But a lot of our orders are a few hundred, a few thousand. That's pretty common for us.
Okay.
I don't know if you know this, but our primary business is a company called All Metals and Forge Group.
Okay.
And we sell forgings, and we're always looking for people to be doing machining work for it. So perhaps we should be talking.
I think this is a good first step. Yeah.
Good match.
Yeah.
Good match.
Nick, what unusual things have you seen, without giving away trade secrets, that have been ordered and produced through your company?
Well, because we're a machine shop and we don't define what we make, we have pretty much seen the full gamut of products. Anything from I'm trying to think off the top of my head some oddball stuff, but one of the things I saw that was kind of funny was a bar that had a commercial ice making machine, and they wanted us to mill a custom ice tray with a non-standard ice cube shape in it for their machine, so they could use this machine to churn out ice cubes of a custom shape. So that was kind of an oddball, funny one. I'm just thinking of kind of what I've seen get shipped out recently.
Right.
There was either an airplane or a glider kind of dash panel, so it had all the cutouts to put your gauges in. I mean, it really is anything and everything. There was a university that ordered I'm thinking food now, but there was a university that ordered a custom waffle iron with their like logo on it. It really is the
There's
full
no end
full
to it.
range. No, it's everything and anything and everything from decorative to industrial.
So you also do sheet metal stamping?
We don't do stamping, but we do all sorts of 2D cutting processes. So laser, water jet, plasma, and then depending on your tolerances, sometimes you have to put a 2D part into a mill.
Right.
So if I can find a waffle iron where the griddles are interchangeable, I can send you a CAD drawing so I can have my initials and my waffle.
You can put anything you want on there. Yes. Yep. Yeah. It's a new world.
It clearly is. Well, you are also in the world of being a very custom manufacturer.
Yes.
I mean, there's a lot of conversation about dealing with the end user customer who wants exactly one, and they want it to be very unique. It sounds like that's what you're doing.
Yeah. I think that's kind of where the world is moving into customization, and a lot of the competition that is happy to offer one-offs are 3D printing companies, and I think one of our competitive advantages is that we'll do that for CNC.
And when you say CNC, that
I mean subtractive manufacturing.
I understand.
Instead of additive, yeah.
But what materials?
Aluminum, all grades of aluminum, steel, copper, brass, bronze.
Nickel?
I don't. Yeah, I guess I haven't seen that much of it, but the truth is, if we don't stock it, if we can get it, and there's not some issue with processing that specific material,
right,
we're happy to work with it. That's not a problem. So we have gotten some requests for oddball alloys of steel and stuff like that, and if we can source it, we'll work with it.
Oh, neat.
So we're here at NJMEP, and I understand that your company is one of the finalists for an award.
We are, yeah. We are a finalist in the small manufacturer category for manufacturer of the year. We were a finalist last year as well, and we're hoping for a little bit better luck this year. Yeah.
Okay. You always get a second shot.
Yeah, there you go.
So why don't you give our audience your email or your website address so that they can find you?
Sure. We're at eMachineShop.com. You can go to our website. We have CAD software that you can download there if you don't already have CAD to design your part and price it with the CAD software. Or if you already have your own CAD software, you could submit a file for a quote.
So they can actually design something on your website?
From our website, they can download a piece of software that we've developed internally,
right.
And it's pretty much a mechanical drawing software for parts. So it doesn't work so well for really advanced curves and stuff like that, but for commercial and industrial manufacturing, it is spot on, perfect.
That's pretty good.
And with one button, after you design it, you can get a price and order right from the software. So, a lot of engineers don't really like to pick up the phone or talk to somebody, or don't really want to have the whole personal conversation necessarily. And the software is really conducive to streamlining the process.
And they can print out the prints?
Yeah, so the software does have some export capability, and then it will also give you drawings as well. Yeah.
Very neat.
And is this software for dummies so I can use it?
Yeah, actually, we put a lot of time and energy into building out our learning system that goes with the software. So we have a help guide that we host on our website. We also have video learning tools, and we have a user forum on our site. We have a lot of support materials out there to kind of get people, on board.
Oh, well that should be a big driver to get people to come to you in the first place.
It is actually. We're a little bit non-traditional as a machine shop because most machine shops are RFQ based, and believe it or not, when we started, we did not even accept RFQs. We were purely software package driven. Yeah. So we're now expanding both sides of the business, but yeah, it's definitely a good driver of business.
That's very cool. Well, we appreciate your being here, and good luck on your award for
Thank you.
today.
Appreciate it.
When they do that a little later.
Great.
And
Nick, it's been
thank
fun.
you for being on the show, and perhaps we should hook up and get on the show when we're back at our home range.
Definitely. Appreciate
All right,
it.
thank you.
Thank you.